The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Feel for no one to be here yet. In a minute, and we will look at the markets overnight. There we go. Okay, market to buy some NQ. No. So it kind of flat overnight after a rise up. ES, its low is off the first candle. 47.59. 47.81 for the high. So, and all occurred in the first few hours. So, let me do math. 59, 69, 79, it's about 22 points in range. NQ, same general thing. Low was 775. High was 885. So about 114 points in range. Copper's been rising up, although it just made a major dip. About 140 ticks of range. It's a big range on copper. Gold had a wonderful day yesterday, kind of flat over. Well, I shouldn't say flat. It's 14-point range. Flat compared to yesterday. There's Ultra Bond breaking out. Continuing on the upward trend. Almost 2 full points overnight, and that is huge for the Ultra Bond. You can see if we look at our daily chart, we have not been this high in the Ultra Bond since August 1st. Crude oil. Hey Phoenix, good morning. How you doing? Crude oil back above 70. Having a nice night as well. At 140 ticks of range. Bitcoin hanging right about 43,000. And check natural gas. Natural gas all chave. So that's where we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. NQ coming down. We do have more news this morning. Check that here in one moment. Here somewhere. There it is. We have an ECB rate statement coming up here in 12 minutes. So that's their FOMC, so be careful with that. And then at 8:30, we have U.S. retail sales and U.S. initial jobless claims. $10 U.S. business inventories. 10:30 natural gas inventories. Continuing to drop here. Something nice you can see here is the turnaround. 851 down to 830. Nice 20-point drop. Continue down. Got down to 824 over here. See, this we've kind of been in this area for a while back here, so this could be resistance area in this 820 to 830 area. Our support, I guess, not resistance. Possible little bounce here, we'll see. Hello. I'm trying to figure out if I want to try to pronounce that name or not. I feel I'm going to just totally blow it up. Do you mind if I call you DFT? Welcome to the stream. Glad to have you. You know, I had that feeling. I thought that was a shape. Little bounce here. Well, I go to Google and get a pronunciation on that. And so, welcome to the stream. If you feel like it, tell us about yourself. How long you've been trading? Do you trade your own money or prop firms? And what you like to trade? Dodecahedron. Dodecahedron? That sounds. That I think that's right. Close enough. Popped up not a lot there. Remember, ECB rate decision in 6 minutes. Right back down. It's similar to me. I've been doing it for about 2.5 years. I've been funded a few times, lost those funded accounts. I'm now funded with Apex again. and going at it really slow with them, trying to get funded with Topstep and Blue Sky. I like to have multiple funded accounts, as I feel like if you just have one, you feel kind of the pressure. If you have more than one, some of that pressure goes away. And what asset or assets do you like to trade? Are you NQ, ES, gold, crude, lean hogs? Cool. I'm mostly NQ, but I like to look at everything. And if I ever switch to a higher time frame, I'll probably trade more assets. It's hard when you're using a 1 minute chart. It's hard to really watch for setups on other things. Action slowed a little bit here as we come into the ECB rate decision. Crude's flying this morning. Ultra bod pull it back. Pushing up here a little bit. I swear, I had the wrong banner up there for Blue Sky. I swear I changed that. I know I made the edits, did I not? I gotta go check that. Did I not? Huh. Fix that. Yes, I'm talking to myself. I apologize. Ah, that's why. There we go. Sorry if my yawn is coming across. I usually try to mute, but every now and then I miss it. But I was up and down again over last night, not feeling well, so tired. So there was the ECB rate decision. Dipped quick, not much. Dipped 7 points, back up. They probably held rates. Let's look. Yeah, they did not change their rates. Hey, Jay Cook, good to see you. How you doing? Blue candle. I'll have a blue candle for certain. Dropping stuff off my desk. Could have, maybe should have taken the blue candle there. We have more news coming up in 14 minutes. Hey, I'm Matt. How you doing? Taking, yeah, I'm glad to hear that. Have you taken any trades on it yet? No, you didn't miss jobless. Jobless is coming up. You missed the ECB rate decision. Jobless is coming up in about 10 minutes. If you YOLO that funded account, I'm gonna figure out a way to fly to Morocco to smack you. See, the Ultra Bond market just opened. Pulling back tad. Had a good night. Good couple of days, really. Nice blue candle there. Blue. Yeah. He probably. I mean, I don't think. I don't know if he swing trades the Ultra Bond at all. I wonder if he's still in that Canadian dollar trade. I don't even have that up here anywhere. I swear I had CAD up here, but I guess not. See how it's been doing. Oh, we can do that. Put 6C. Oh, looks like it's been coming up nicely for him. He was long on it. If he's still in it. Remember he told us it was coming down when it was coming down, but looks like it rebounded. Did anyone from the stream just join the Discord? 2 new members there, but the only server I have in common with them is my server, and it always worries me that they're about ready to spam. Pulls back here. We're just gonna stay, unless something like jumps up with a big neon sign and it says trade me, I'm just gonna stay flat until after jobless claims. Hey JC, how you doing? I'm doing all right. Uh, one is about 1,000 away from funded. This one is a little less than 200 in the red. This one's got reset on rebill. I gotta get back to the one that's close to funded, but they rebuild me a day early. I was planning on canceling one and just doing the one that was close to funded, and they ended up rebuilding me a day early. It's supposed to be rebuild on the 13th, and they did it early morning on the 12th. Yeah, it is, but I took it as a sign that maybe I'm supposed to get funded with 2 Topstep accounts, so that's why I'm trading it. So we've got news coming up in about 90 seconds, which is why I didn't take. I wish I would have taken this blue candle, but. Pulling back just a tad. Not sure why I'm just looking at it in Q. There we go. There's the full screen. Ooh, whoosh. Quick whoosh, back up, and then a quick whoosh. And back up. Wow, that's a yo-yo right there. That whooshed up and down like 3 different times. 33 down to 21. And falling quick. I gotta go look at that on a 1-second chart. This is the 1-second chart. Look at that. This is just... Okay, stop moving. This is the news. This is the news right here. Down, up, down, up, down, down. That was kind of chaotic there for a second, for a few seconds. But down seems to be the direction now. Maybe. Or it's going to bounce. Gold shot down. Oh, actually, gold shot down like 6 points. Meanwhile, NQ's trying to pop back up. Ah, back down it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. Down to 813, low of the overnight. 775. Falling quick. What's the Ultra Bond doing? Ultra Bond falling. Crude still hanging near its highs. Natural gas. I'm not sure why natural gas exploded there, but okay. There's gold, you see. Blue candle pop here. We're just had some red, so if it holds, we'll take it. Our ATR. ATR is about 7 now, so okay. We'll try it. I don't have a lot of confidence in it, but we'll try it. It ended up being a pretty big candle, and it looks like it's going to come right back down on me. We'll see. Maybe not. Maybe not. There we go. Good. But it is struggling with that. It was struggling with the 20 EMA. Let's see. Now, I was considering taking that quick 4 points. I probably should have because of that EMA sitting there. It's going to pop right back down on me. And it's going to stop me out. So that was my own fault for not taking it off the hitting that 20 EMA. That was just dumb of me. Hey John, how you doing? Yeah, look at that. Bounce right back up. About back down, purple candle. My guess, John, it's either going to go up or down or possibly sideways. We'll try a short here. Off that purple candle. That seems like nothing is going to go my way this morning. But that's okay. There we go. 2 stops in a row. In a matter of 5 minutes. We'll wait for a better direction and hopefully we can get some of this back. And folks, if you're enjoying the stream or you're just joining us and expect to enjoy the stream, I appreciate you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Morning, Sid. How are you? We're going to try a long. I'm late, but we're going to try it. Goal is to hit that 100 EMA. Sitting at 834, so maybe about a 5-point trade if we get it. Hundred EMA on the 1. It's about the 20 on the 5. Yeah, there's a push up. Nice move up here. It's another blue candle, so we're going to stay in, and we're going to move our stop to the bottom of that blue candle. Maybe I should have taken it. Let's see. We're struggling here around 837. There we go. Boom. I got up to 840 with a quick boom. Back down. 839. 840. 841. My target's at 842 even. There we go. Target hit. There we go. So just that was a nice $250 trade. 829 half to 842. So I took 2 losses before Sid was here. Got a win once Sid arrived, so I'm going to consider Sid my good luck charm. ES is taking off here as well. All of a sudden we got a nice boom up. I'm not sure if there's any catalyst to this. Let's look. Oh, we have a ECB press conference going on? I don't know if that's doing anything. Pulls back a tad. Dow also popped up nicely there. Gold also popping up. Anybody else taking any trades yet? Yesterday at the end of the stream, for some reason my chat stopped working. It wasn't showing me new messages, and then as I ended the stream, a whole bunch of new messages flooded in. People probably thought I was ignoring them. Like it's trying to push down. We got up to 847, pulled down now to 842. Overnight high 885. ES at its overnight high. It's showing a little bit more strength here. Blue candle here on NQ. See what holds. Went away for now. Everybody got incredibly quiet. Blue candle went away. ES on the 5, looking like it wants to try and pull back a little bit. Dow as well. Still pulling down slightly. We're about 7 minutes to the top of the hour. Good. Wanted to make sure the chat was working. So yesterday it was kind of wonky at the end of the stream. Crude totally having a day. Market opens here shortly. Might want to really pull back, but look at this. I mean, this up almost 2 points from the bottom. There we go. And now we're booming up. So it kind of brushed that 20, and that could have been a signal for me, but it blew my signal line. So back up to 850. Nice blue candle. You can see here ES just boom, boom. Are we gonna have another boom day? Boom day, technical trading term. By the way, if anyone's interested and hasn't seen, Canadian Futures Trader has launched his own Discord. It's up and running. And he has a special spot, and it's for anybody, but he has a special spot in it for Canadians, Canadian traders. So for those of you Canadians out there, if you want to join, or for anybody, I'm a mod there. I already told someone off last night. But yeah, CFT has a Discord. I can post an invite link if anybody wants it. Gold with a blue candle there on the 5. It's interesting. Stream has gotten so quiet. It's Thursday, guys, not Monday or Friday. Wake up. Dow at the 37,684. They took a long on gold, bottom right-hand corner. Off that blue candle down there. We'll see what happens. Have about a 2-point stop on it. We'll make that bigger so it can be seen better. There we go. See if it can continue to push up here. Top of the hour, we see NQ pulling down. Crude oil taking off at its open. Well, it took off right before the open. Let's see if it continues. Natural gas pulls back. Whoosh. Gold pushing up for me there. Get that, baby. Sort of getting toward the top where we got to here at 2053.9. So we might take it off there if it gets there. 53.7, 53.8 on the ask. Seems to be struggling there. Oh, ouch. Well, only got $80. I should have taken it there when I was struggling. Pulled back huge there. But it was an $80 trade on gold. I'll take that. After being down 410, we're only down $89 now. 89 red. Probably gonna push back up, but we'll see. Like I said, we got up to 53.9 here, and this got up to 53.8, and it was struggling. See, back above where I got out now, but I should have took that as a sign just to get out there. I could have got $90 to $100 more, but that's okay. Y'all certainly quiet. And that's back up to where it was struggling before. So once again, I allowed it to like knock me out there for no reason. Let's see if it gets through there though. Yep, there it broke through. So I should have held. I need us to just hold. I gotta know when to hold them. Know when to fold them. That's okay. Crude still rising here. Mike Cunningham last night on the stream said, "Watch crude, it's gonna break out." He was very right. Ultra bond, new daily high. JC, you trading today? You take anything on the ultra bond there? Well, just to add about easy for me to say at its daily high. Sorry to hear that, JC. How's your week been overall? I bet you have a spectacular week next week. Absolutely, there's still time. Big pullback here all of a sudden. Wow, whoosh. Where'd that 15-point pullback come from? Possibly from the ECB president. ECB President Lagarde says domestic inflation is hardly budging. I guess maybe they got upset by him. Hey Ace, how you doing? Uh, I'm unsure. I was feeling a lot better yesterday afternoon and evening, and late last night my gastrointestinal stuff started acting up again, and ended up being up some throughout the night. I don't know. I've not eaten breakfast. I'm gonna wait till after stream to eat. Mr. Freeze. Well, name checks out. How you doing, Mr. Freeze? Glad to have you here. CFT's a great guy, and I always appreciate when he promotes me. I always ask new people because I'm nosy to tell us about themselves. Only if they want. You can just tell me to shut up and mind my own business. But I always like to know uh, how long you've been trading, and do you trade prop firms or your own money, and what assets you like to trade. But again, if you prefer not to tell us, that's fine as well. I will not send Ace to force it out of you. Pulling back down to the 100 EMA here with that quick burst back down. Pushing down more. Wow, it's a quick drop here. It dropped like it's hot. Excellent. Well, excellent. That's a long journey, but I'm glad you've kept at it. My journey's similar to yours, although not quite as long. I've been doing it for about 3 years. Started with stocks, hated PDT rule and all that stuff. Found futures. Still looking to find consistency in my trading. Alright, good luck, Ace. He already got a point. Yeah, that's a good idea because clear your head and just it can get to you. I've probably quit trading several hundred times, sometimes several times in a day. And honestly, if I didn't have this community, I may have quit altogether. But for the fact that you know, for some reason these people come back day after day to listen to me and watch me, it's kind of kept me in the game. Going short here off that purple candle. Looks like it. What assets do you like to trade, Mr. Freeze? 7. Natural gas. That's one not a lot of people trade. I've taken a couple trades in it here and there. I'm mostly an NQ trader. I think you'll find most people here are NQ or ES. But we got some gold traders, we got some crude traders, we got some bond traders. Jumping out here for a very small gain. Only 3 ticks. It came back up on me. It might still go back down, but it's fine. Natural gas does make some nice moves. It used to be much wilder than it is now. Should have stayed in that true. Yeah, if you're looking for slower assets to trade, natural gas is good. The ultra bond can be good. And agriculture products can be good. Yeah, I should have stayed in. Story of my life. I should have stayed in. That's okay. Nice ace. Yep, I should have stayed in. One day I'll stay in. Yep. Evenings, if you need to trade in the evenings, it can be slow, but there are moves to be had. Uh, so if you're looking to try and trade in the evening at all, I actually stream 2 evenings a week as well. Or afternoons. A lot of things slow down big in the afternoon, but you can. The ES is slower than NQ, but it provides moves just about any time of day. In the evenings, I'm looking usually again at NQ, but also gold and crude, and sometimes the yen. The Aussie dollar can sometimes move in the evenings. This is my evening setup that I look at. Also the NKD, but the NKD is a huge tick value, so I definitely don't recommend that for beginners. I watch it, but I very rarely actually trade it. But yeah, I stream Mondays and Wednesday evenings at 6:30 Eastern till about 9 Eastern. We have a nice little crew that shows up those evenings. uh, I Sid, I think he's just saying that he's using New York Open as a. I mean, he might be in New York. Blue candle popping up here. We have 7 minutes to the bell. Sorry, didn't mean to sound like a snake there. Yeah, where, if you don't mind, I was asking, where are you from, Mr. Freeze? Again, feel free to just tell me I'm nosy and shut up. Okay, well, there we go. Mr. Freeze in Canada, that makes sense. Financial Juice, JJR. This Financial Juice, hold on, I'll show it. Boop, 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 boop. As soon as I find my software. This is, yeah, there. This is Financial Juice. This is where I get my news headlines and stuff from. And when there's a speaker, like a Fed speaker that's or whatever, it will say anything that it will show anything that says they feel is important. So right here, 9:08 Eastern, 8:08 my time. ECB President Lagarde, domestic inflation is hardly budging. I have the free version. They have a pro version, which gets you the headlines faster. Don't I don't like. I'm not glued to it, so I don't see the purpose. That's financialjuice.com. And Ace is about to make a joke. Pushing down here. Continuing to push down. Whoa. But big bounce right back up. So quick push down, quick bounce back up. And see that he said we don't think it's time to lower guard. There's still work to be done. This is going to take form of holding rates. It's called finance. Here, I'll post the link. Financial Juice, like the juice is loose. that that's just a Canadian joke there. uh, excuse Ace, you know. RJ's not here yet. Nice pop up. No, Ace is real. He's just he he doesn't mean anything. He's not trying to be offensive in any way. He's just trying to be funny. He's a good guy. Great trader. Gets us 2 points on ES just about every day. I'm not sure I've ever seen him fail to get 2 points. And as he says, 2 points a day can feed a family. There was the day he only got 1 point and only half his family ate. We do have other Canadians here. There's John. I was going to say, we do have other Canadians here. John's in Ontario. Pull back. Wait. We're a very friendly channel. This is, like I said, this is a great community. It really is. I mean, I have gotten what I consider lifelong friends here. We're even talking about eventually having a actual, like, real life meetup at some point in time for like a weekend or whatever, where we all meet up somewhere. Oh, Patrick's a great trader, but I that channel is absolutely off the hook. Sid, is that your way of saying you're going to haunt me as a ghost? We have about 30 seconds till the bell, guys. Places, everybody. Nice, Ace. Ding, 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 ding. Bells will be ringing. Quick whoosh down. A few points. Down to 811. And warning, Mr. Freeze, I do occasionally break into song, even though I can't really sing. Yep, I stream until 11 Eastern, so 9 o'clock your time, Mr. Freeze. The Ace does this weird thing by, he like runs every day. And there's nothing even chasing him. Popping back up. Waiting for direction. It's better than on a yellow bus instead of in front of a yellow bus. Big move back up here. Up 25 points since the open on NQES, up 7.5. Any elf on the shelf drama today, Ace? And where's RJ? Don't know why elf on the shelf made me think of RJ. Blue candle here on the 1. Or it was. It's back. About 30 seconds on that candle. See where it goes. I don't know where it's going. We know it's actually breaking out. Pulling back there. That blue candle had more wick than body, so I didn't take it. Blue candle I should have took was this one off the 3. It's got your email, Ace. So that's what happens when you don't get your 2 points, huh? Gold shooting up here. New high day. Ways to send your kid to counseling. Pulls back. Big pullback. Come on down. Possibly should have taken that right there. Been nice for, yeah, break of the 20 there would have been nice. Could have got 10. But that's okay. Gold is mooning again. Mr. Sid is very happy about where gold's going. Actually, there's a guy on stream last night. He only joins me for the evening streams. He's doing gold and Forex. He has about position open. Well, it's like 5 different positions, but it's total of like a $400,000 position. He showed me his actual broker statement. So, not broker, but whatever. The platform. Pretty incredible trade. He risked half his account taking the trade, which I don't recommend anybody doing. ES falling sharply here. Dow falling sharply. NQ is not falling sharply. It's fallen, but it's not falling sharply. It's kind of dully falling. And Q's bouncing back up, actually. Dow's fallen about 100 points since the top of the hour. Top of the hour, we have a tiny bit of news. U.S. business inventories. I don't expect it to move the market, but keep it in mind. Or you don't have to keep it in mind. I won't force you. All right, Ace. Blue candle here. We'll take it if it holds. Long. Or long. Oh, ouch. Long off that blue candle doesn't. Awesome. Welcome back, Mr. Freeze. Push it up. Nice. Go, 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 go. Up to 16,850. My target's at 16,854. There we go. There we go. Target hit. Boom. 12.5 point winner right there. 250 bucks. And we're back to green on the day. Up 167.70. Crude's still going. It's almost at 72. Ultrabond's kind of deciding what it wants to do with its life. Gold, obviously, at new high day there, up to 2062. Copper also new high day. And gonna pull back here on NQ. Purple candle. It's coming back up. We're back to almost green on that candle. Get back to green. See what agriculture's doing. Soybeans pulling back. Soybean meal pulling back. Soybean oil. Well, soybean oil pulling back. Everything besides lean hogs on agriculture is pulling back. NQ. Still shooting for high day. ES is at high day. NQ 881. No, I'm sorry. 885 was the overnight high. Still 30 points off that. Excellent, John. It could. I mean, I'm not going to doubt this market at all. Another blue candle here, but we're kind of up in the extension here. Oh yeah, I can imagine watching the stream on the phone. Though it's not horrible if you turn your phone horizontally, but still, yeah. Nah, we have a mix of people that trade their own accounts and prop firms. Ace trades his own account. John's doing prop firms. Chase is his own account. We're a pretty good mix of both. I'm all prop firm. Morning, Burl. Still rising up. 868, overnight high, 885 on NQ. There was a blue candle there, kind of extended, decided not to take it. Obviously, I should have. Cat has decided to join me. Or he has not come up on the desk. Well, I mean, me personally, I almost always use a market order. But for the most part, no. Unless you're trading something really off book, like not off book, but really obscure, like gasoline futures or something like that. You usually get fill. You might get a little slippage by a couple ticks, depending on the time of day. But yeah, there's really no fill problems. Gold, big pullback here on the 5-minute chart. Pull back a little bit here on the NQ as well. Dow's bouncing. During the day, like this time of day, agriculture is usually fine. Maybe a tick or two of slippage. If you try and trade it in the evening, you're probably gonna get some major slippage. Softs, that's ice. We don't. If you're doing prop firms, well, I guess Apex does have ice, but you got to pay extra for it. But I've never traded the softs like coffee and cocoa and all that. Taking a short on gold, I think. There it is. That's what's continued to coming down for me. Gold trade there in the bottom right hand corner turning against me. Hate it when gold turns against you. Big move down here on the NQ. I didn't quite catch that one. I mean, it's a beautiful move. Gold definitely not dropping yet. Come on down, baby. NQ bouncing a little bit there. NQ got near its overnight highs. Got up to 872, so about 13 points away from overnight high, and then fell. Looking for a fall here on gold as we're in this trade here. I took a gold trade last night. I ended up putting it on this main chart here that kind of stuck with me now. This is the second gold trade I've taken this morning. First one I think I got $80 off of. There we go. There's a nice fall. Maybe. It was. Looked like it had some momentum. Yeah, short, John. Ouch. Bounce there. Ooh, ouch. Big bounce. It's going to bite me. Yeah, maybe I should stay out of gold. Right now I just have one account on Apex. I have two Topstep accounts, one Apex account, one Blue Sky account. And Q popping back up. Eventually, when I'm more consistent, I'll have multiple accounts with Apex. But I want to get consistent with one first before I start adding accounts. It's coming back down. That got within one tick of my stop, but did not get to my stop yet. And now it's coming back down for me. NQ's rising back up. But yeah, Mr. Freeze, eventually, my goal will be to have the 20 and continue spreading risk. Instead of trading 20 contracts on one account, trading one contract on 20 accounts. I do not trade full time yet. My biggest issue is my psychology. I jump out of trades way too quickly, or I don't trust my strategies. I talk myself out of trades. My strategy, I really believe, is a winning strategy. It's all in my head at this point. No one tells you when you start trading that the majority of being a successful trader is psychology. Yep, now gold's coming back up to bite me. And Mr. Freeze, I mean, start with a micro. You know about micro assets, right? Like I said, start with a micro. Go grab a, you know, ES micro. That's MES. If you take a 5 point loss on one micro on ES, it's, hold on, 25 bucks. Just take one micro. Start taking just one micro trade. Trade with one micro asset is what I mean, and just build your confidence up that way. It would take a lot. It would take a lot to blow an account that way. And then, as you get more confident, then increase it to 2 micros, and then, continue scaling up. And Q back up to 871 before a little bit of a pullback. Gold's still playing with me here. It's almost back down to my entry. bounce off the band there on NQ. That would have been great to kind of catch, but. Yeah, that's what I would suggest. You know, ES micro or a YM micro, or crude as a micro, gold as a micro. Agriculture does not have micros. Honestly, I mean, I should have it up someplace where I can see it all the time, and if I ever get another screen, I will, JJR. But for now, it's more like, wow, what just happened? And I go look at the news. I mean, I use the side there, the calendar, to watch for major news, obviously, and the different news reports we see throughout the day. Which reminds me, we are 30 seconds away from a small news report that I don't expect to move the market, but be careful. But yeah, if I had more screen space, I would have it up on part of a screen to kind of monitor it. If you pull back and now it's trying to figure out where it wants to go. Gold right around my entry again. A purple candle here on the 1 on NQ. Big one. Stopped out on gold. It finally bit me. Short NQ. What rejected? Why? There we go. For some reason, they didn't fill my order there. I don't have a micro chart up. That's where my goal was. So, I made a 5 micros with NQ, and it's dropping like a rock. I wish I could go in a mini. Out with a $72.50 trade. Thanks to that gold trade, I'm now red by $1.12. I'm sorry to hear that, JJR. Alright, Ace. Thank you continuing to drop. Wow. That's awesome, Ace. Again, Q wants to continue to try to push down. There's another purple candle, and I didn't. It like purpleized is says as it finished, so did not grab that one. Purpleized. I think I created a word. Excellent job, JJR. You're gonna get there. I did not. Well, yeah, actually, yeah, I did. I got 5 micros for about 10 points. Sorry, forgot about that. I didn't trust it to go full mini. I should have. Oh, we have a little less than an hour to go on the stream. We'll see if we can get anything good. Excellent job, John. Watching to see where things want to go. Back up to the 20 on the 1. 16.8, excuse me, 16.828. Nice rise back up here. Struggling to get through that 20. Purple candle there. How's everyone else been doing this morning? Ace is green. John's green. John Deere green. Oh, sorry. Excellent. Yeah, everyone also welcome DFT there. He's new, but he said hello before most of y'all arrived today. Excellent job, JJR. So it touched the 20, touched the 100 here on the 1 minute, but struggling to break through. Sounds like you're right on the verge, JJR, of becoming a profitable trader. Purple candle there. Don't trust it. I'm above my signal line, so should have trusted it. So we're breaking back down. I should have trusted it because it was a bounce off that 100 EMA. But alas, probably just good to chill, JJR, and sometimes it's good just to watch the market, watch it and watching how it moves and all that, and without actually having the pressure to take a trade. Everything's kind of pulling back here. Let's see, crude. Little pull back, but another new high a day. Got above 72. Ultra bond. Still trying to push up near its high. Oops. Gold. He's kind of hanging around. Copper made another new high. So a little pop there. Coming back up. Getting some nice movement here. Our ATR is almost 15. Purple candle. 15 seconds on it. Short. Push down there. I'm in it. 796. It pushed down to 788, but real quick, and then bounced right back up. Let's see where it goes. That's not where I wanted to go. Ouchies. Ouchie. Wow, it's a big bounce. Stop me out. Jerk. If anyone's trading natural gas, inventories are coming up in a few minutes. Sideways here. Pretty much a straight line across. So trying to push down, it looks like. Hanging right around 16,800. Cool beans, yeah, it does. I try to use it in a couple of different ways. One, blue candles above the signal line, the yellow line, purple candles below it, going, that direction. But on with like the other way is when I'm seeing green or red, I'm looking for reversal candles. So like these here, this one here, this one here. But I really love if they're also engulfing candles. So like red here, got that blue candle there. And that was the opener, so I wouldn't take that, but that's not okay. Like here, red, blue candle up. Here we had a little green, purple candle down. So that's the two ways I use that. Or or with trend as well, like here, um, you know, purple candle here, we're below the signal line, so continue with the downward movement. Take that trade, continue with the downward movement. Blue candle here, we're above the signal line, continue with the upwards. I haven't worked it, I haven't, I need to do that, figure out exact stats on it. It's, good on the back testing, but I haven't, like, figured out the exact numbers, cool beans. JJR, just remember that when you get the XFA account or, funded account, whatever, you don't need to rush. Take, take a couple trades and don't be a big risk. That way you're not blowing it too soon. You're just slow and steady. So, guys, let's look. If you look back, let's see here. See, I do. This is my back testing. And this isn't complete, but like the purple are all ones that would have worked with my strat. The yellow are ones that don't, that would have failed. I probably missed a couple that I failed there when back testing, but you can see for the most part it works most of the time. Not as good as that looks. I don't know if I have any others here. Obviously, it doesn't work with a 90% accuracy with the way that looks there, but yeah, it has good. My other problem is that my goal is at least a 1.5 using the ATR, etc. So, like here, I should take this and go at least that far. And I tend to jump out of trades early. You're welcome. Thank you for the question. Continuing to head down here, we're getting back close to daily lows. We are. Daily low 775 overnight. We're at 790. Natural gas hated its inventories for a minute and now it's coming back up. We have about half an hour left in the stream. Let's see if we can get anything else today. Gold falling quick. Little blue candle there on the 3. Got a little red on the 1 there. Big blue candle. I don't like it when they go band to EMA though. And we see it pulling back. Right. JJR, my plans are, you know, probably to get double the, like, I'm on the 50K account, so, like, try and get up to about 5,000 or 6,000 before I do any type of withdrawal. Nice. Excellent job. So here's an example of me not trading my plan well. So earlier I took this short, you could see here, and I stopped out when it pulled back up. So you see purple candle, you see the green on the ultimate RSI. If I had set my stop to the top of that candle, it would have been about a 5-point stop, but I would have never got stopped out, and now I could have got that trade. But I didn't set that stop like that because I didn't want to put that much risk on. So since I didn't want to put that much risk on, I should have gone the micros. And I could have got this winner. Right. Although, That is, I mean, it's not a hard and fast rule. Like, as long as you can prove you're in trading your strat and not going for a you know, I forget what the word is, but like, you're not playing a news play and getting a windfall trade, that type of thing. If you're a little bit over or, whatever, they're not going to hold that against you. But yeah, it's best to try and stay consistent. Basically, that's in place so people don't like try to YOLO a news play. While explaining that gold trade, I missed this short on NQ. One of the hazards of streaming. And look at that fall. See, it's gotten down to this area a couple times now. Let's see if it can break through. Uh, JJR gold is 10 ticks per point, so it's a 5-point winner. Gold continues to fall, just kind of touched that 100 EMA. And Q, broke last night's lows by a point. And going lower. So we're at low a day now on NQ. Yeah, gold is $10 per tick. So that was a 500-hour per contract trade. Oh, absolutely, great trade. Blue candle here. Yeah. More wick than body, though. I do various online tasks for money, and I still trade. I just don't continue streaming because I gotta do various online tasks for money. People would pay me not to have an OnlyFans. So even though that blue candle ended up being, and did not end up being more wick than body. So it could have been a good pop back up there. Blue candle in the red. I should have taken it. Sometimes that can be the trouble with the 1 minute chart. Is it ended up looking like not a good candle until the very last second, and it caught me off guard. You can see it went from 779 up to 794, so would have been a good trade. Got 15 minutes left to go on the stream. You see how big that gold pullback was. Got up to 62.9. We're down to 53.3. Ultra bond at its high day. Oh yeah, if I relied on YouTube, I would be broke. I make like less than $1 a day on YouTube. I do various like micro tasks and paid surveys and things like that. Places like MTurk and Prolific Academic, Swagbucks. That's the type of stuff I do. mind-numbing stuff that I want to get rid of. Yeah, I would not be able to survive just on affiliate sales and YouTube. Uh, Financial juice. I'll post the link again. There you go. Tomorrow is quad witching. You're welcome. There's RJ. Where have you been? Ah. We had a new Canadian here, and we were gonna talking about you, and you weren't here. Popping up here, back up, trying to get back up to 16,800. Crypticon? Were you and RJ hanging out together that you both came in now just like 10 minutes ago on the stream? Crypticon's not your old client, is it, RJ? Long here. Target is 808 quarter. 805. At pull back some. 806, 807. Struggling there. Pulls back. Out there with 5. Probably got out too soon. We'll see. I did. That's what I gotta stop doing. I gotta stop doing that. Say that every day. It's just about ready to hit my target. My original target. But that's okay. Yep, there's my original target. I think RJ just started taking things off. Are you going to hang them by the chimney with care? Yep, there's 810. So I gotta stick in trades. I gotta. Nice. Continuing to rise up nicely here. As I say that, it pulls back a bit. Trading is only gambling if you don't have an edge and you can't control your emotions. Oh, whoosh. Up to 820, but pulls right back. Nice, RJ. Look at RJ. Comes in, sits down, and immediately just gets a winning trade. Wow, pull down. Now, this was actually a trigger for me, and I didn't take it. So that beautiful purple candle coming out of the bands, green down here on the ultimate RSI, that would have been a beautiful trade. Why didn't I take it? I don't know, just kind of being a spectator and thinking about what Crypticon said. "48 ticks. A great day for a trader, a bad day for a dog." Ace was sending me pictures of tortured elves on shelves. Right back up. Can it break through that 100 EMA? One last trade. We're long. One last trade might not work. One back. It was a risk going for it. Got up to 820, hit 820 again there, and back under the EMA. Trying to fight, trying to fight up. Crypt, enough. Yep, we're gonna stop out probably here. Okay, and that's fine. So that's where we're gonna end today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for our final day of the week. Quad witching, as they call it. Or a whole bunch of contracts and options and a whole bunch of everything. Ah, there we go, RJ. There's the new Canadian, Mr. Freeze. I do Mondays and Wednesdays, Mr. Freeze. Mondays and Wednesdays at 6:30 Eastern. You're welcome. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you here tomorrow morning. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day. Bye. Con, don't make me remove your mod chip. Chill out. I'm sorry you're having trouble trading. Don't try and convince everyone else it's a problem. Thank you.